how to decide the size of amigurumi. For example, you want it as small as your sphere or as big as your doll. So the question was, how to decide the size of amigurumi? And the answer is by making your swatch. In this lesson, we will cover the importance of making your swatch. So we'll be making a 5 by 5 centimeter swatch. So the importance of making your swatch is to get the idea of your rows and your single crochets. Now I'll be making a 5 by 5 centimeter swatch. So in 5 centimeters, we have 10 rows. So in 5 centimeters, we have 10 single crochets, which are these boxes. So first, we will make a slip knot. Here is the slip knot. So after we've done the slip knot, our second step will be chains. So we have 10 single crochets, and in chains we will be adding 1, so it will be 11. And here you can see them and I will count them. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here in the end is 11. So after we've done our chains, our third step will be to crochet our single crochets. And we have 10 single crochets. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one here is 10. So we've done the slip knot, and then we've done the chain and single crochets. And now step 4 will be how many rows. So in this case we have 10 rows. We can count them here, and I can show you on our swatch. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here's the last one, 10. So in this lesson, we will be making our swatch, and the yarn that I will be using recommends me 3mm hook, which I have here. So now it's time to make our swatch. So we'll start by making our slip knot. So grab your yarn, and we're going to make 11 chains. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this one here is 11. So now we're going to make our 10 single crochets. So we'll skip the first one and go to the second. So this is 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one here is 10. So this was row number 1. Now we're going to chain and we're going to turn. So now we're going to start with row number 2. So starting with row number 2, we're going to make the first single crochet. So here, the first one. And you're going to continue on with the other 9 single crochets. So I have the last one now, which is number 10. So here is row number 2. Now for number 3, we're going to chain and then turn. So now we're going to start row number 3. So this is the first single crochet here. And I'll go ahead and do the rest of the 8 single crochets. So here is the last single crochet. So you're going to chain and you're going to turn. Now we've done 3 rows and you're going to do the same thing for the other 7 rows. So this is row number 4. Chain and turn. Now you can count your rows if you forgot. So this is row number 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to start row number 5. So after you've chained, you're going to turn and you're going to start row number 5. So chain and turn. Now row number 6. So chain and turn. Now we're going to start row number 7. Chain and turn, row number 8. So chain, turn, and this is row number 9. Now chain, turn. Now we're going to do row number 10, and this is the last row. Now we've finished row number 10. Now you will chain. So after you've chained, you're going to remove your hook, and you're going to grab your scissors, and you're going to cut the yarn. Now you're going to pull the yarn like this. So now if you take your measuring tape and you measure, you can see it's 5 centimeters, and here also it's 5 centimeters. So like this, we've crocheted our swatch.